Hello lovies, welcome back to my channel. Can you believe I posted every Friday for the last 6 weeks? Oh my god, I'm actually sticking to a schedule. For those of you who don't know me, I'm Gina, aka Gina Louise, and we're going to do a free people hack. So I saw the $700 crochet jacket, suede jacket on Free People, and I was in love with it, and I said, I'm gonna hack this. So I bought a $29 brand new pink suede jacket off of eBay, and I purchased for $20 23, I believe, crochet pieces, aka granny squares. You can buy these on eBay and you could buy them on Etsy. I saw tons of them on Etsy and they're inexpensive, and you can make this jacket. So the first thing I did was I got my acrylic paints out and I started to water them down a little bit, and I painted these squares to look like the same pattern on the Free People jacket. After I finished painting all the granny squares, I then took a roll of lace ribbon from the Dollar Tree and I painted that with the same colors to use it as the trim on the sleeves and around the collar to give it a crochet look. Now I just placed my granny squares in a pattern that mimicked the Free People jacket. I used Fabri-Tac glue and I just glued all the granny squares on the back. Then I let that dry for about a half an hour and I flipped it over, and then I glued them all on the front as well. I love this glue so much, but I don't like the way the glue feels when it touches my skin. When it touches my fingers, it has this cold sensation that feels so weird. So I put on gloves most of the time when I use this glue. So that's it. I finished doing the whole front, gluing them all on. And then I took my painted crochet ribbon from Dollar Tree and I did the trim on the sleeves and on the collar. I stuck a piece of cardboard in the sleeve just to make sure that I don't glue it shut. See how nice that looks on the sleeve? If you're enjoying my video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, please consider subscribing to my channel. It helps my channel grow. And please stay till the end so you could see me model this. I am now doing the collar. I'm gluing it across the front, cutting it on a little bit of an angle, and then I'm wrapping it around the neckline and coming back over to the other side. And now for the final results.
Sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets
Thanks for watching.